Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we'll be making plant-based carne asada burritos. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. First to start, we'll be making our refried beans. We'll be adding a little bit of olive oil into our Instant Pot. We'll saute our onions for a bit, then we'll add our spices. After that, we'll add our faux chicken stock, then our beans, and we'll put it on the high pressure setting for about an hour and a half. After that, we'll simmer it down for about 30 minutes or so until it gets nice and thick, and then we'll be ready to go. Now our beans are nice and cooked. As you can tell, looks pretty tasty. We're just gonna set this aside now, then we'll get our soy curls ready for our burritos. Now it's time to prepare our soy curls. Over here I have one package of soy curls I've soaked in water for about 10 minutes, and then I've strained out the water and squeezed out all the extra liquid. And here's the ingredients for our marinade. We'll marinate that for about 10 minutes or so. And same thing, we'll squeeze out all the excess liquid, and then we will sear our soy curls. So it's been about 10 minutes and I've taken the soy curls out of the marinade and squeezed out the excess liquid. Now I have a cast iron skillet that's smoking hot on our stove. Now we're just gonna sear our soy curls for about a minute on each side. We'll just do it in small batches so that we don't have any issues. So our soy curls are all done. As you can see, there's a bit of charring on our soy curls. Add a nice little bit of texture to everything. We'll just dump this all out and chop into small bits now. Now we'll be making some guacamole in our mortar and pestle. We're putting our onion, chili, half our cilantro, and salt. We're grinding into a fine paste, and then we'll add our avocado. Now we'll add our mashed avocado, rest of our cilantro, and our lime juice, and we'll fold it all together. And now it's time to make our rice. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. First, I'll be sauteing our rice in a bit of oil until it gets nice and translucent. Then I'll add our onions and garlic, saute that for a few minutes as well. Then we'll add our tomato paste, our no chicken bouillon base, and then we'll go from there. So the onions and garlic have been sauteed, and I've added our tomato paste and our no chicken bouillon base. After that, we'll add about 3 cups of water, and then we'll put the lid on and let it cook for about 15 minutes. And then our rice should be done. We'll be ready to assemble our burritos. Just make a quick pico de gallo for our burritos. Just have some diced tomatoes here that I've salted. We're gonna let that drain for about 20 minutes, and we'll combine it with the rest of our ingredients, and we'll be good to go. Time to assemble our burrito. What I have here is a large flour tortilla that I've wet on both sides and warmed up on a skillet until pliable. I have a layer of vegan cheese at the bottom, followed by a layer of rice, then a layer of beans, our layer of soy curls, pico de gallo, and then finally guacamole on top. Then we roll it up, and we'll enjoy a tasty burrito.
Okay, so just in case you've never rolled a burrito before, best way to do it, sides in, and here's the important part: when you fold it over everything, so it goes over the last of the fillings, and then you pull it back some. Make sure the tortilla goes under the filling right there. Get it nice and tight. Just don't go crazy with it, otherwise you'll split the tortilla. There you go. Nice tight burrito. Good to go. What I'll also do is put in the skillet just to toast the bottom right here in the seam, just so it sticks. That's it.